Hello, my name is Amanda Holland and I am your instructor for SCI101. This video is to give you an introduction to Unit 1 and how to maneuver the course. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you know where all the key assignments and information are. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press discussion board so that you can post your fantastic introduction to our class. So you click on discussion board and here you will see my introduction. This is what just kind of what you want to look at. Please read mine and watch the video if you haven't watched that video already. But what you're going to do is you're going to post the assignment by clicking on compose new post right here up at the top. You can also look to see what the requirements are for this assignment under assignment details. So that's the first thing that you want to do, and that's due by Friday of the first week of class. The next thing you want to do is we're going to go back over here to the IntelliPath. So IntelliPath is where you're going to do all of your learning. Your learning occurs in IntelliPath. Now, this is the instructor portion, so yours is going to look a little bit different. And so the objectives are listed here. So you've got scientific way of thinking, you have extra credit. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on the scientific way of thinking and then do your determined knowledge. That's the first thing that you want to do. And then the second thing is that you have live chats with me once a week for an hour. And those can be found here in the live chat section. The other part is there are books that you have access to, and those are right here under Introduction to Sciences. You click on that button and it'll take you to our fantastic textbook. Okay, we'll give it a few seconds to open up. So the table of contents is over here, and we start out with the scientific method. So you want to read through all of these great topics that we'll talk about. The other thing that I want to call your attention to is the announcements. The announcements are super important. Now, you're not going to see all of these because this is my section, and so this is all the announcements for the whole class, and they're going to release to you in a specific order. But a few that you want to pay attention to that will be posted that first week are these first 5. So you want to make sure, are you in a lab class too? So this is not your lab class, this is your lecture class. So if you're in a lab class, you're going to have a separate class to take. The next is your personal success calendar. So this is a great way to find out information to help you to be more organized through the class. And then here is also my welcome email to you, or my welcome announcement, excuse me. And then our first unit is Unit 1, which is Scientific Method and Matter. And in this announcement, I've got the roadmap. I've got some stuff about the scientific method. I've got some fun videos for you to watch. You don't have to. They're just some extra material for you. If you're curious how to do the determined knowledge, there's a video here for you to watch. And then also there's an announcement here that asks you, are you seeing my messages in IntelliPath? So I will be messaging you in a few different ways. 1, through email. 2, through CTU Messenger, which is right up here. If there's a little orange dot there, that means that I have sent you a message. So I want to make sure that you can find those messages there. There's a lot of information here, and I am so excited, and I am here to help you. Please reach out if there's anything that I could do to help you.